Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here, B1423 opening pressure sensor circuit. So if your aircon's not working or it's working and then triggering off, either way really, if you're not getting any cold air through, it'll be to do with, this is by the way Toyota Yaris hybrid, but all the Toyotas are really similar. So to find the fault code, it's to do with this sensor here. So I can pop that there. Okay. So it's this here, okay, that's where the sensor is. So I would check the wiring going to it, because they are known for like breaking or wearing off on cutting. If that is all good, the next thing I would do is just check inside the pins, see they're all right, and if there's power going to the sensor, happy days. That means the fault you have is actually the sensor itself. They're not expensive. I'd say they're probably about 10 to 20 quid, maybe more, maybe less, around that sort of figure. Get OEM, genuine, trust me, aftermarket stuff aren't the best, so get genuine. It's really easy. It is, you probably need a spanner or something to unbolt it. Just be careful that you don't damage it, and sometimes they are filled with air and whatnot, so you just gotta kind of be wary. Sometimes you will get that warning if there's no air left in there as well, like aircon. But that is exactly where it is, guys. That's what you need to change if it does mess up. So yeah.